Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about 3D shapes as we discussed in the previous session about line practice using elbow versus wrist movement. Please watch that video. It will be helpful for you. So now let's get started with the 3D shapes. First of all, we are sketching with single line by wrist. So you can connect small line and you can draw the straight line by using this practice. But if you will go with elbow, it will be look like this. So uh, if you want to make bigger line, then it will be good to go with elbow. Need to practice as we discussed in previous session using wrist and elbow movement. So now let's move on 3D shapes. First we will draw our square by using the wrist. So by using the wrist we can draw the square, and it will be good to go with elbow so we can make it smoother. If we will go with elbow, then it cannot go smoothly, as you can see for small line, but you can erase and you can restructure your square by using this elbow. As you can see, so you can draw the square. You can draw the bigger square by using the wrist and elbow. So by using the square, we can improve our line, and we can improve our square by using these small lines, and we have to do the daily practice for this. And same for, we will draw the ellipse. This is the straight. So if you are a beginner for ellipse, like you need to more practice, so let's draw the ellipse first. This is the ellipse I have drawn by small lines, and you can see this is the way to do the practice. But if I want to make ellipse and smooth, then I need to go with elbow. As you can see, if you want to make narrow, then you can do also by using this, and you can do anyway. Like, you need to practice more on this, then you can improve your drawing on the ellipse. So you are beginner, then you need to go with small line, then it will be good to improve your ellipse by using this way. So let's move on. We have made this square and ellipse, and we can draw the circle, right? So for the beginner, we can draw the circle this way. For, as we did for ellipse, we can draw the circle by this way, and we can improve our circle by using those line quality. So for small circle, we can go with the wrist. As you can see, this is also small circle, but if you want to make the large circle, then it will be good to go with elbow. As you can see, it will be smoother for elbow movement. But no worry, if you are beginner, then you need to more practice on this by using this wrist and elbow, so you will get a better idea to do this. Okay, so let's move on the 3D rectangle shapes. Let's get started. First we will draw the square, and we will draw the parallel line here, and at the 45-degree. We will draw the parallel line to this and to each other, and we will draw the parallel here, and we also here. So as you can see, the all front parallel line and a vertical and horizontal parallel line should be parallel, otherwise it can be wrong cube. Let's try another. As you can see here, this is the depth, this is the height and width. So this is the front of the square, and this is side, and this is the top view. As you can see, you can draw the different shape for this. As you can see, both lines should be parallel while we drawing this square. So we have to keep in mind this line and this line should be parallel, and this line and this line should be parallel, and this one and this one. So you can make perfect on this square. So this is way to draw the square on different angle. Let's try another angle for this. So this is the way to draw the square. And let's move on the cylinder. So we can use these shapes in a cylinder. This shapes is ellipse, right? So we can initially drawing, you can start with the wrist movement like this, and you can more practice to make it perfect. So let's try the cylinder. Let's first draw this ellipse, two ellipse up and down, and we will attach sideline to both ellipse, and we will try to make it perfect both one. You can make side ellipse, so it will be based on the practice. Like suppose if we want to make big cylinder, then we need to go that way. So we have to more practice on the ellipse first, then we can go with the perfect cylinder. It will take time, but no worry, just try to practice and just draw the proper cylinder. So this is the basic way to draw the squares, ellipse, circle, 3D shapes for the cube and the cylinder. So now observe this carefully. You need to make line all the parallel while drawing the cube. This should be parallel to this line, each other, and distance should be equal. If you make mistake, shape will not look correct. So you need to correct your line and maintain proper alignment. This is the simple way to do the square, ellipse, and you can try to draw each different size and different shape this ellipse. Let's try one more cylinder. Let's try to make it perfect. As you can see, and we need to make it correct. So you can draw the cylinder this way. If you want to draw the another shape like dome, then just we need to draw one ellipse and this half circle of the ellipse, then it will become the dome. This is the way. Practice daily, observe your mistake, keep improving. See you in next video. Thank you.